Yo! Welcome back. Check out this amazing best Evcharger4U 5Kw that I just found. It's officially the most talked about item this month. After testing it myself, I finally understand why it's so popular. Don't go anywhere, because the value here is mind-blowing. Regarding the build, it is remarkably high-end. It features professional-grade components that feel heavy-duty. You can really tell they didn't cut any corners. It feels way more expensive than it actually is, giving you that luxury experience. The actual performance is where it truly shines. Whether you're a pro or a beginner, this is made for you. It's reliable, quiet, and honestly, just a joy to use every single day. It's a major upgrade to your productivity and lifestyle. Now, here's the catch: inventory is very low. See the deal.